Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add border to a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and there are many kinds of comments. Here you will find this note comment, this text comment, this call out comments. I will add this text box comments and drag your mouse cursor and draw your comment box. And this right side where here you will find this comment box properties box and this border option, and click on this comment box and click right button for the mouse cursor and select properties. Also here you will find this appearance option and this border style. You can show it solid border and increase your border size 6 pt. Also you can change color if you want and see this. Also you can invisible this border and select close. In this way you can add border to your comments box. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.